What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm at somewhere very special. I'm at Dream Racing. They have tons of cars here. We got a Supra, we got a Porsche, we got an R8, we got a Lamborghini, another Supra, another R8. The list goes on. They got Lamborghinis, Ferraris. They even have this NSX over here. Look at this thing. This thing is crazy. They have this GT Ferrari. Look at this thing. This thing is fucking sick. Got a C8 Aston Martin. But this Asian boy is out here looking for something super specific, and let me show you what it is that I'm looking for. No, it's not this NSX. No, it's not this Ferrari. Well, you guessed it. Looking at the GTR today. How ironic. Is the GTR even comparable in the midst of all these supercars? You think a normal person would try to drive one of these Lamborghinis, but no. I'm out here peeping this GTR right here. Is the GTR still a contender amongst all these supercars? Well, I'm gonna get 15 laps in and tell you exactly how I feel about this GTR.
Back to the right, stay on it. Good.
Do I brake?
Not yet. Turn in, nice and smooth. Back on gas. That's it. Good. Over the hill, stay on throttle. Good.
We followed that close?
Yep. Little brake. Release the brake, gonna rotate it. We're gonna pass. That's it, nice and tight.
Copy after the straight line.
Cabo. Back on it. Upshift, back to the right, upshift, stay on it, gas, stay on the gas, that's it, right now, brake hard, brake harder, downshift, go to the right side, don't turn in so hard, to the right, pass them on right, go, full gas, turn in, that's it, nice and smooth, just listen to me, hug the stripe, back on gas, stay on it, a little more power, a little more out to the left, keep going, good, little brake, no brake, turn in. Keep that line, don't add any more. Now back on gas, open it up. Good, little brake. Release the brake, rotate it. Add some throttle, open it up to the right. So we're turning too hard and too much, all right? The max you're gonna be doing is about this much the whole time, okay?
Okay.
Back on throttle, keep going. Full power, go. That's it, little brake, turn in. Hold it there, don't add any more steering. Back on gas, open it back up to straight. There you go. Over the hill to the left, full gas. That's it, keep going. Good, firm brake. Little more brake, release the brake, turn in tight. Doing great, nice and tight, back on power. Fantastic, hug the inside, little more gas, out to the left, full gas out. Upshift, That's it, back to the right. Stay on it, full power, full power. There we go. Stay on it.
I'm nervous.
And brake hard. Downshift 2 times. A little more brake, hit that brake. Good catch, back on throttle.
Oh, shit.
What do you think of the car?
The reason why I chose is like it's like the more affordable supercar.
Yes.
That's like half decent.
It's all-wheel drive as well, yep. Turn in. Back on throttle, there we go. We're gonna hug the inside. We're gonna pass up that Ferrari if you keep this pace up nice and tight. A little more throttle. That's it, more power. We're gonna go straight out. Don't hug the corner so tight. Now back to the right. There it is, stay on power, don't let off. That's it. No brake, just turn, nice and smooth. We're gonna go to the right, pass him nice and easy on the right side, give him plenty of space. That's it. Go right on top of the bump. Stay to the right side, now full gas. Thank you. Good, little brake, no brake, turn in. That's it. Hug the inside stripe. We're gonna go out to the left, stay on it, full power. That's it, upshift, to the right, stay on it, full gas. Go, 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 go. And right now, brake hard. There it is, a little more brake, more brake, more brake. Release the brake, turn in. Back to the right. That's it.
I'm like sweating.
All right, go ahead and upshift. That's it, just enjoy it for this lap. There you go. Quite the piece of machinery, huh?
Yeah, and it's like you don't normally drive the car
On the whole
at that
street.
pace.
Right.
Holy fuck.
And you're using up the whole track at the same time. That's it, work it, a little more throttle.
Oh wow. I'm like speechless. Whew.
Back on gas, doing great, man. Stay on it, stay on it, stay on it. Turn in, over the hill, out to the left, full gas out. Fantastic. 3, 2, 1, firm little brake. Release the brake, just turn. That's it. A little more power. Good, back on gas down the middle, full gas. Upshift, stay on power. That's it, just stay on it. That's it, go, 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 go. And right now, brake. Downshift 1 time, 1 more. Good, release the brake, just turn. Back to the right. That's it. Good, we're gonna hug the inside here, a little more throttle. Up and out to the left-hand side. I got you, I got you. There we go. Good, no brake, just turn, nice and smooth. Back on gas, doing great. That's it, we're gonna hug the inside here, a little more throttle. Back to the right, stay on it, right now, full gas. Good, little brake, no brake, turn in. Back on gas, doing good, there we go. Fantastic, over the hill to the left.
I'm sweating. Like my gut instinct is just to grab the hit the brakes.
Yeah, let the car just kind of do its thing. Back on power, doing good. Good firm brake. Now I put it up into R mode. Basically what it does, gives us less traction control, which is better drive off. Stiffens up the suspension so it's not as sway. Also gives us true all-wheel drive.
It makes me a little nervous.
No, it's added stability, a little bit more speed. Overall, it's going to be a more enjoyable driving experience. So we are in it for 8 now.
That shit was intense. Oh, this only has 14,000 miles on it. Wow.
Race miles.
That's true.
It's a lot. It's a lot of race.
So what motor oil?
Red line.
Red line.
Yes, sir.
And I'm guessing the transmission and diff all have red line.
Yes. We partnered with Red Line.
I see.
That's it. We're not partnered. That's just
Clear.
yes. It's kind of known in our world, pushing cars this hard. And at those higher RPMs, you know, we don't get a lot of time on cold days to sit there and really warm everything up. So Redline kind of keeps everything nice and lubricated.
What about Motul?
Motul's a good oil too, yes. I also,
tell me when to brake when I need to brake.
Right now it's all-wheel drive, so no braking. So that's the added benefit. It's got a little bit more of that stability in there. I also prefer Lucas Oil products, so that's what I race on. Back on the right. That's it. Inside corner. Back on throttle, 50%, 75. Upshift. Out to the left, we can go full gas right now. Trust it, trust it, trust it. 3, 2, 1. Keep it straight, brake hard. All right. Release the brake, just turn. Add nothing else. Now a little gas. There we go. Keep your foot planted on the gas. You're gonna go out to the left. Good. Stay on it to the right. That's it. More gas. Good. No brake. Turn in, nice and smooth. Back on gas. A little more. Good. Nice and tight.
Surprised how it corrects itself.
Oh yes, stay on it full power right now. They want us to pass. Upshift. Good, stay on it full power. Go, go, go. Trust me, trust me, trust me. 3, 2, 1. That's it. Brake. Thank you, GTI. Brake, 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 brake. Release the brake. Turn right.
Oh shit.
Yes, hey, good job. It's got all-wheel drive. That's what I mean. It's got the added stability, traction control, ABS, the whole 9 yards. So no reason to be afraid there on that corner. We got it. Good. We got 2 more laps left. Like, yep, this one and one more. You feeling okay?
Yeah, I'm feeling okay.
Good.
Alright guys, it's been a super long day. It was a super scary experience. I never thought that I'd be so frightened and nauseous. I can't believe how much of a car the Nissan GTR is. I'm truly impressed. Thank you guys for watching to the end of this video. Hopefully you guys will come out here to Dream Racing. Don't forget to give this video a like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.